Hey there, little explorers! Today, we're going back millions of years to a time when giant creatures called dinosaurs roamed the Earth. Are you ready to meet some amazing dinosaurs and learn fun facts about them? Let's go! First, let's meet the gentle plant eaters called herbivores. These dinosaurs loved munching on leaves and plants all day. This is Brachiosaurus. Did you know that Brachiosaurus was as tall as a 4-story building? Wow! And here's Stegosaurus. It had plates on its back and a spiky tail to protect itself. Amazing, right? Now, meet the meat eaters, also known as carnivores. These dinosaurs were fierce hunters. This is Tyrannosaurus rex, or T-Rex for short. It was one of the most powerful dinosaurs and had teeth as big as bananas. And here's Velociraptor, a speedy and clever dinosaur. It wasn't as big as a T-Rex, but it was very smart and quick. Some dinosaurs were covered in tough armor to keep them safe from the meat eaters. Meet Ankylosaurus. It had a bony club on its tail to whack any dinosaur that tried to bother it. And this is Triceratops. It had 3 strong horns on its head and a big frill to protect itself. What a cool dinosaur. Time for some fun facts. Did you know that not all dinosaurs were huge? Some, like Compsognathus, were as small as chickens. And guess what? Birds are actually living relatives of dinosaurs. So the next time you see a bird, remember, it's like seeing a tiny dinosaur. Dinosaurs were amazing creatures with so many different shapes, sizes, and ways of living. We hope you enjoyed learning about them today. Keep exploring and discovering new facts, little explorers. Until next time, roar on!